Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the largest ever transaction fee on the Bitcoin network has just happened. More than 85 Bitcoin. Yes, you heard it well. Then the second thing I would like to talk about is Argentina and what money people can use during the new president Javier Milei presidency. And the third thing is all about that Kiyosaki warns us again that get into silver, gold, and Bitcoin before it's too late. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. Short videos, longer videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. And also, if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then hit the like button. Thanks a lot. So let's do it. Okay, and let's have a quick look at the price when we can see that Bitcoin is down 1.4% in the last 24 hours. That makes Bitcoin price right now $37,065. Then we have Ethereum 2.7 down, $2,026 at the moment. Then we have the biggest gainer, kidding me, really USDC and Terra Classic. And Terra Luna. That's just like crazy. Anyway, I personally really ignore these here because it's just not realistic that why these should go up when we have so many quality altcoins. But yeah, doesn't matter. That's the fact. Okay, Blur is down 10%, the leader among the losers in the top 100. Then we have Gas down 9%, almost 10%, and FTT token it's going down 9.5%. When we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that yesterday we did close above this line and use it as support around this 37,400-ish. But today we went under it, and we're going to see, do we continue, down here, will be holded by this trend line, this green one, or are we going to continue, or simply just go back? Because, we're hitting this once, twice, three times, kind of four times, getting over it. So Bitcoin actually holding itself quite well. If this kind of spot Bitcoin ETF, in a couple of months comes out, that could be actually something which push higher the price. But sooner or later, we're going to have a correction because, it's just very normal. But this is what we see right now. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic that we had the highest transaction fee on the Bitcoin network ever. So let's talk about it. Someone has sent a tremendous amount of Bitcoin during the transaction as a transaction fee, and this is the important part of it. Okay, check this out. So this is the largest in Bitcoin history. And here we have the transaction, which includes originally 139.42 Bitcoin. But the recipient received only 55.78 Bitcoin because the rest, 85.2163 BTC, went to the miner who mined the block as a transaction fee. This happened in this transaction here on the Bitcoin blockchain. You can see it well. And here you can see the transaction fee, how high it is. And, obviously the block reward, as usual, it was 6.25 Bitcoin. But this time, the miner received an extremely high transaction fee. What they're going to do with it, it's a great question because it really, really looks like a mistake. How these things happened, how you can mistakenly, make a mistake and send it like this. It's a mystery for me. Anyway, bottom line is it just happened, and this is the highest in history. Guys, always, make sure double checking a transaction when you setting, manually the transaction fee, so you get it right and it's not the, a huge chunk of your transaction. Okay, you can double check it. Everything is not Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, second thing I would like to talk about is all about that even if they don't make Bitcoin legal tender in Argentina during the new presidency, they can use it. And I'm going to show you what he said exactly about this. Okay, so we do know that Argentina has a new president, Javier Milei, and this is him. And basically, he's really open-minded. He really hates the central bank system. And what he said, and this is also here in a tweet, that basically that Argentine people can simply use whatever money they want. And this includes Bitcoin and also USDT, Tether, which is massively popular in the country. And this actually was said here by Samson Mo, who was the advisor to El Salvador during its adoption of Bitcoin. He said that he's planning to meet with Argentina's new president, Javier Milei. And the bottom line is that this concept would serve Bitcoin just as well as making it legal tender, because people can use it freely. And this is now a huge thing. This would be a massive change in Argentina. So even if it doesn't become a legal tender, because Mo pointed out that not every country should do it the way as El Salvador did, this can still actually work out pretty well for Bitcoin, because people can just freely lose it, even if it's not a legal tender. Okay, and the third topic I would like to mention today, it's all about that Robert Kiyosaki is saying it again and again, that get into Bitcoin, gold, silver before it's too late. Robert Kiyosaki, who is the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is saying this, for a while. Great news, gold reaches new high. Bad news, workers and savers are losers. Bad news means saying the same for 25 years. Don't be a loser. Get out of fake money system. Get into gold, silver, Bitcoin now before it's too late. And yes, he also, used to be in real estate as well, is still, but recently now it's really pushing Bitcoin and gold, silver, as he did just before. He really highlighting and stressing it, that how bad this system is, and saying this for really, really long time. He's the guy actually, he will get it once right, because he says it so often that once we having a trouble, you can say, or he can say that, oh, I mentioned it. But overall, we do know how this whole fiat system works, and we do know what are the problems with it. We just, check out inflation. But the worst thing is coming when we will have just digital fiat currency, which will be a programmable money totally under, the authorities' control, and you cannot hold that anymore, just digitally. And basically, if they would like to, they can take it away from you, or just block it, or stop it, or whatever. And therefore, it's very, very important to have something you can hold it for yourself in a decentralized system, just like Bitcoin. It's not financial advice. You do your own homework. I won't push anything here. I would just highlight things, and if you start to think about this, you can decide for yourself, taking the responsibility. But the bottom line is, if the centralized system gets fully digital, then the control will be easier than ever for them. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single important news, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.